Today I'm going to show you how to install RAM and upgrade the graphics card. Firstly, here is the PCIe slot for the graphics card, and here's the RAM base, the DDR2 RAM base. But first we need to remove all this wiring out of the way. Now you can see it's a lot clearer, and it allows for easy access without damaging any components within the computer itself. First things first, I'm going to install a static strip so I can't damage the components. The screw is in, this is nicely seated, and now I'm going to go through and put the RAM in. Be careful to make sure it's in the right way. And there we have it, complete.